Hi guys, my name is Rasekhar Reddy Bolla. So I'm talking about today on this thing guys, Azure SQL Database Serverless. Okay, so this is a option where it will be is, yeah. So for compute related guys, we have DTU model and vCore model. Okay, you can keep the database either in DTU model and vCore model. Okay, there are some reasons why you need to keep in DTU model and vCore model. So let's forget about those things. So we will discuss later on those things. So suppose the requirement, so yeah, I am talking about this thing guys, serverless model. In general purpose, we have a concept called serverless model. Okay, I am talking about this thing today. So before that, okay, so suppose if you have a on-premise server, okay, if you are not connecting to that server or if you are not using the databases, still you need to pay the money. But in Azure SQL database, okay, we have a concept called Azure SQL Database Serverless. That's in vCore general purpose model. So if you don't use the database, then you don't need to pay the money. So that's a really beautiful option, guys. I really, I'm really happy use that option for some of the databases in my real time. Okay. So when you use this option is, so when you are not using, that means if you have a databases, you are not connecting on the weekends, then you can keep the databases in serverless model. Suppose if you have a databases and you connect only once in a week, very rarely you connect. So that kind of databases you can keep in serverless model. Okay. So this is the requirement, guys. Like, I don't want to pay when I am not using the DB. Suppose I have a database, I connect the DB once in a week. Most of the times my DB is ID. In that case, you can save the money by going to this serverless concept. Okay, let me show you that one, guys. So here we have a database, guys. So let's assume this database I am not, rarely I connect this DB. In that case, click over here. So see, it's in vCore general purpose model, right? So it's in general purpose. In general purpose, again, two models are there, provisioned and serverless. In this provisioned, you need to pay fixed money, okay, per month. Whether you use it or not, you need to pay this much, okay. Right now, I'm using two vCores for 2 GB. You can also increase. For two vCores for this space, you are paying almost how much? Yeah, 24,000 you are paying. Okay. But whether you use it or not, you need to pay, right? Suppose I don't use this database. In that case, I will keep in serverless model. See, in the serverless model, there is no fixed cost. When you use that time, per second basis, they will charge. When you don't use, they won't charge us at all. But here, guys, can you see storage cost? Whether you use it or not, still you are keeping your database, right? You are using their space, their storage. For that, you need to pay, guys. Okay. So here, guys, for 2 GB, they are charging this much. Okay. As soon as you increase, obviously they charge more, right? So this space, for space they are charging. For compute, they are not charging over here, guys. Okay. So this is the really beautiful option, guys. I really, very happy to use this option. Again, guys, you have one option, auto pass delay. Suppose if you won't connect to 1 hour, the database will go to the pass. Okay. Suppose my database want to still keep in active. In that case, you can configure. Minimum is 1 hour, guys. If you don't connect to 1 hour, the database will go to the pass. If the database is in pass, then there is no charge for us. Okay. How the graph will be, let me show you. Okay. So the graph will be like this. When you use, there is a usage, obviously. When you are not using, obviously there is no usage. See, here you are saving the cost. On the weekend, suppose if you are not using, you can keep. Suppose some archive tables, you can keep in different database. That database you can keep in this model. Okay. Suppose non-production database, you are not using on the weekends or so-and-so holidays. You can keep in serverless model. So this way, you can save a lot of money, guys. Okay. So yeah, this is about serverless, guys. So my name is Rasekhar Reddy Bolla. So for real-time Azure SQL DBA training and job support, you can reach me on WhatsApp on this number, guys. And this is my email ID. And I'm also author of this book, guys. Okay. I don't know where that book. Yeah, I'm author of. I'm author of this book, guys. So Microsoft Azure SQL DBA. Okay. So I'm having more than 10 years of experience into the SQL development, performance tuning, DBA, Azure SQL DBA. And so right now I'm working on Azure only. So for Azure experience, I have 4 years. Yeah. So to learn practically, if you want, you can reach me on my number, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah. If you really like this video, just like it and subscribe it, guys. Subscribe it. Thank you.